Hi, my name is Faisal, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can install Android Studio on your Windows 11 laptop. You need to search Android Studio. After that, you need to click on the first link. You can download the latest version of Android Studio from here. You can accept it. It's gonna take some time, I guess. Just wait few minutes. It's just 1.3 GB. It may take some time, so I may fast forward the video. It has been downloaded. Just wait. Here is Android Studio. You need to click it on. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's just gonna be installed. By the way, I'm using Comet browser. Next, 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 next. It may take some time. It's again gonna take some time. It has been downloaded now. Let's see what's gonna happen. It's the version 25.14. You can sell optional data to Google or not. I'm not gonna send. Android Studio has been downloaded on your PC now. In the next video, I'm gonna tell you how you can create a project on Android Studio and how you can create a virtual Android machine in Windows.